And there we go. Both of them are up again. Okay, I think we're good. Yep. Looks like we are good to go now. We got all the streams up. I don't know how we did it, but we did it. We are back in business, team. Don't forget, you guys can read our disclosure online. All information in the stream is for informative purposes only. So please do your due diligence when trading. All right. It's only taken me an hour, maybe a little over an hour to get back up and running, but we are back up and running nonetheless. Oh man, Bitcoin calls are even more down. Look at that. I'm 18% down now on these Bitcoin calls. How amazing is that? As Bitcoin continues to rally upward, my calls continue to depreciate in value. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh man, I screwed up on buying these stupid things. I should have never gotten into this position. I regret it so much. I know it too, because I always talk about scam coin, right? You guys always hear me talk about it. And here I am trying to make a go of it. Ugh. It's so upsetting. It's frustrating, really. Set your style. I don't even know what that is. Don't even know what that is. You feel a home run? I hope so. I think we already missed most of those runs, though, to the downside. I mean, shoot, opening sell was just pretty darn good. I'm just being cautious. I did really, really good yesterday. I made up for that silver debacle I had from like 2 days ago. Yeah, no FOMO today, boys. No FOMO today. Oh, wow. That's great. No. I stepped out. I saw you guys with BluSky, and I didn't want to interrupt. He's got his class, and, I know he's trying to figure it out, and he's talking to you guys. So I didn't want to interrupt and be there in his space. Nobody interrupts me in my morning session. So, I don't want to interrupt someone else's session that they have going as well with my 2 cents. But just checking in to make sure that if he was, having issues, because he's trying to stream the way I am, but he's also going through some of the learning curve that I went through as well, because it's kind of a hassle, with all those stream platforms and stuff. Yeah, OBS, like I'm on Streamlabs, he's on OBS, and you're trying to wrap your head around like the terms and, what do you call certain things and all that good stuff, makes it more difficult. It makes it challenging. I shouldn't say difficult. It just makes it challenging, because it's different terminology. And I don't know what BluSky does. I honestly don't know what he does. So, I don't know if he's in the space, content creator space, So, breaking down the terminology and, trying to give them some insight on what does what and how they work and stuff. So I think he's got it though. I think he's got it. He's on his way. Well, someone had mentioned to me about running a 4K stream, and that was exactly why. That was why I brought in the 4K. That's why it was all jacked up this morning, because I was trying to I want to do a 4K stream. I have the capability of it, because I've got 40 megs up, I got gigabit down, 40 megs up, and 40 megs up is more than enough for me to do a 4K. And if you were watching the YouTube streams were beautiful. They were at 4K, but like Kick was just messing up. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Come on. Eat these adverts. I guess I got to get up my social streams chats because I don't even have those up right now. Yeah, market's catching a bid here, it seems. All right, live stream chats are up. Well, a few of them are up. I don't have all of them up. There's so many of them. YouTube chats are I need that Kick chat up. All right. I got all 6 of my chats up now. Wait, I'm missing. I was missing that one. There's my 7th. All right. There we go. All 7 of my chat windows are up now. Ticker's live. We're getting the. All right, team. We are good now. We're stable. Okay. Okay. So the reason I'm having problems is because Kick can't support it. The highest resolution they can support is 1920 by 1080. So that's probably why I was running into a bunch of issues. I can't stream to that platform at that high of a resolution. That's the issue. This is ridiculous. I can't believe these contracts have did nothing. So upsetting with this trade. Looks like we're going to get more selling here on NASDAQ. Usually they want to just continue toileting this market, though. You might get your next leg down here. 15 minutes left. Pretty nasty downside moves here. No, looks like my breakdown levels on NASDAQ worked out pretty well. Now we're well below those. Now the question is will they continue to send us lower? Oh, I still got Steve in here hanging with me. Good to see him. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get another leg down here pretty soon. I'm getting short entries in the market now, getting signals to go short. Ugh, it's gross. How much lower are we going to go? That was a real question. Will they continue just sending this down? Certainly, IWN is still consolidating, has not made a real move to the downside. It's just holding steady. It's really strange. Has not given up the move. Let's take a look at the Russell. I'll show you guys the Russell, why I'm looking at that right now. It's only down 0.2%. Look at that. See, it's just holding right here. It looks like it wants to give it up, though. All right, let's look at the Dow. The Dow is already dipping. Looks like IWN might just give us a short we want, right? I'm going to keep breaking that low now. I imagine you might be able to catch some bids on some of these other trades here. Yep, there it goes.